following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake, until 1 a.m. At 10:58 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles west of O'Hare Airport to near Aurora, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Monroe Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Deuceable Harbor, Belmont Harbor, and Diversey Harbor around 11:25 p.m. Harrison Beaver, Crib and Jackson Park Harbor around 11:30 p.m. Calumet Harbor around 11:35 p.m. Hammond Marina around 11:40 p.m. Indiana Harbor around 11:45 p.m. Burns Harbor and Marina Shores at Dune Harbor around midnight. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.